Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Connect your iPhone to the Mac or ensure both are on the same network. Then enable developer mode and trust this computer. Open Xcode, pick your app scheme, and set the physical iPhone as the run target. Once done, build the app to see immediate compile errors. This reveals issues early so you can fix them before deeper testing. Now continue with the complex middle steps. Run the app from Xcode and observe the console for runtime logs and stack traces so you know why things fail. Set breakpoints and use LLDB to step through code. Employ view debugging to inspect the UI hierarchy when layout looks off. Test key flows, backgrounding behavior, network responses, and edge inputs like low memory or slow connections. Make sure to iterate. Fix a bug, rebuild, and recheck the same scenario. Finish by validating distribution and final device behavior. Archive the build for ad hoc or test flight and confirm your provisioning profiles and certificates match the bundle ID. Then install the archived app and run full device tests. Check crash reports in Xcode Organizer to find final exceptions. If something goes wrong, first repair the device and toggle developer mode. If issues persist, reinstall provisioning profiles and restart both Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.